In between spraying, we generally clean out the booth. You gotta sweep up all this overspray. Just got done spraying the first coat of primer on the kitchen coffee bar. Came out nice. So primer's done, scuff sanded. Got some scrap mold and toe kick. All that. Everything's scuff sanded, ready to go. This is a great little thing to have when you're mixing conversion varnish and the various top coats. A little cheat sheet so you know what you can mix and whatnot. For this coffee bar, I'm going to be top coating it with some Achroma Pro conversion varnish top coat. That's our color match card. It's going to be Summit Gray from Sherwin-Williams. Richard has a great guide to color match stuff. I've been able to not have to add any retarder to this, so just run 13% catalyst and thin it out 20%. So far it's been good, but I may have to retard top coat. Not sure until I start throwing it down. Well, it's been about a day or so since I got back at the shop. I had to work at the firehouse yesterday. So today would be getting this cabinet back together and sizing the countertop. I have to fill a couple checks. So that would be the goal today. This is the top I'm using for the coffee bar. It's ambrosia maple. It's got some good figure, a little bit of wane. So I'm going to trim this up on the table saw here. And then start sanding and filling a couple checks. We got the epoxies all set. We got to sand it down smooth and cut it to size. We'll be ready to finish the top. Got this all sanded up after epoxy. Feels nice. Got the edges rounded over. 1/8 inch round over. Gonna spray tomorrow a sealer. Then we're gonna spray a Miravar top coat on it. It's a conversion varnish. Be a nice finish on this soft maple. The sealer is on. Just scuff sanded the top and this side and this edge. That's what's gonna be seeing. This edge and that edge don't really need to worry about it because this could be against the wall. All right. I don't know if the camera picks up. You got some flaming here. It's pretty nice figure. Well, this is a finished piece until we get it installed this weekend. Put a kesselbohmer pull out, toucan pull out, soft close. These are just standard stock cabinet, drawer boxes and all that. This turned out beautiful.